So this is the dishwasher. We're gonna hook it up today. First thing, I'm gonna hook it up the power first. So all you have to do is go all the way in the bottom. You will be see two black screws, one in each side. So when you take this one out, you will be see this little box. That's the power. So all you have to do is take the screw on this little box, and you will be see this. This is the dishwasher power. All right. So I'm gonna leave it there. Then I'm gonna use a single connector for my power. Make sure it's not gonna get shut. I almost have everything done, but I want to show you all the way to the beginning. So we're going to the power. I work with the power first. So here, all the way in the bottom, I take this panel out. This panel is going on the bottom. It's coming with two screws, one on this side, one the other side. So when you take this panel out, you will be seeing the power hooker up. Alright, this is the cover box. It's going right there. It's coming only with one screw. Only one screw. So I run my wire already. Okay, then coming on this side. That's our power. Make sure the power is off all the time. All the time it has to be off. Then we're going back to the water hose. The water hose is called the left side. Right there. Make sure everything is really tight so we're not gonna have any leak. Okay, but the thing is, when you hook her up a dishwasher, the drain water hose, remember, the main water hose has to be on top, not on the bottom, on top. So that way, when the dishwasher, it's gonna drain the water, it's gonna come all the way in the top and come to the garbage disposal. If you're gonna leave in the bottom, when the dishwasher, it's gonna drop the water, and if it's in the bottom, the water is go back at the dishwasher again. So we don't want that. So put the hose on top. That way the water cannot go back to the dishwasher, I mean, sorry. So the hose is coming all the way in the bottom, go on top, then come again in the bottom, hook it up with the garbage disposal. Okay? That's the main thing you have to know. The water, the hot water, you can leave it in the bottom. It's any problem with that. No problem. So the water hose, it's right here. And we're gonna hook her up on this little hole right there. I'll make it. So let's see if I can reach it. Make sure the water hose is not gonna get tangled on anything. So we slide all the way already. Okay. Then now we're gonna try to push the dishwasher in this pot. So it's right there. See? It's just like that. Simple. All right. And to make sure the dishwasher is not gonna move, if you can see this little piece of metal, one right here and one on this side, you just need to screw on this metal. You see this metal? Under the countertop. So you just have to screw under that thing. This rest, you can cut it. You can see it's like a line already. So you can cut right there. So we're gonna use this second hole to put our screw. The dishwasher has to become flush with the cabinets. Has to be flush. So when you close it, you don't gonna see anything else but the door. That's how it is. Simple thing. Okay? I can help with your ideas you have already. So thank you to watch our video. Okay guys, so here we are. We set everything together like how I said. The screws, it's already there. So that way our dishwasher, it's secure already. Just don't move. Like I said, this thing has to be flush. See? Flush. Like that. The power is going this box, remember? This box. Power. It's right here. The power. The water right there. It's on already. No leak. Alright. Under the sink, everything is set already. The water drain coming right here. This one has to go over here and coming right there. That's it. So we're gonna put the panel back. I'm not trying to do it with one hand. That's it. Wait a minute, guys. Right there. That's it. Ready.